Hello and welcome to the Spirit of Watercolor. I'm with Linda and I'm so glad you found me here today. And I hope that you will find what you're looking for if you are trying to develop watercolor skills and ability and to enjoy just the process of it. It's a beautiful medium, isn't it? And I love it for its luminosity, its transparency, of course, and then some of the paints have beautiful granulation, and there's so many fun things we can do with watercolor and create some beautiful work, beautiful artwork. So please come to the table with me. I will be showing you, as I have, there's probably 130 videos here already, and they cover from techniques of brush techniques to non-brush techniques like sponging and salt, and you will find that you can find some videos here that will help you learn if you like to paint more detailed work to much more loose, which is what I'm mostly, I want to say that's my forte. I'm very much a loose and wet painter mainly. So how to keep that fresh and how to create these vibrant, luscious paintings, right? So I hope you will find what you're looking for here. And we also will do non-brush techniques, and we'll work everything from representational work to abstract to non-representational subjects, covering flowers to landscape, seascape to I do dancers, and animals to some extent, birds, butterflies, we've got a little bit of all of these things, right? So please join me and just, click on, what you're looking for in my channel, and you'll find something there for you, I'm sure. So please come. This is probably going on my third year of creating some videos. I'm maybe doing 1 or 2 a month now. I used to do a lot more, but there's pretty much a lot of what I want to teach you is here, so you'll find it, and but we'll keep creating and moving forward, and I'm just so excited that you're here with me. We'll learn about so many things, including how to use certain kinds of paints and colors, watercolor paints. We'll talk about brands, we'll talk about brushes. You'll find it here. So I'm so glad that you are going to be a part of this journey, which I call a spiritual journey. Watercolor is a connection with nature, right? The colors, the pigment, with color, so many things, and how we express ourselves, our moods and everything with watercolors. Whether you're painting it, creating the moods, or feeling the moods you're feeling and painting it, or the visual once they're finished and put them on the wall, and then you can feel happy and joyful if you've got the right colors and the right theme or subject. So we will do these things, and please join me today. Find a video that works for you, and keep on coming back, like and subscribe, and we'll grow together, because I'm always still growing too. So I'll see you at my table.